Hello everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to share you this is our product. Look at here. If you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? We packed it with the VCI anti-rust bags. In this part, this is a label, Shumatt logo. If you want the other logos, you can contact us. The logo, label, the packaging bag, and so on. The customized services. Product code F00VC01328. The application model number 04451101137, 04451101138, 04451101139. This is a QR code. Let's open it. The inside, we have two forms of our packages. Today, talk about this one. The whole side also sell the separate parts. This one. The valve cap with a coating and some curved letters on it. The valve rods, different sizes and lengths. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all the details, yes. 3 tips share with you. Clean it with oil, make sure the valve cap in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly, yep. About the warranty, 6 months. Okay, that's all about today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.